AFM. Discover the unique 100% bioresistant and world's best performing filtration media. AFM, activated filter media, is a direct replacement for sand, doubling the performance of sand filters, without the need for additional investments in infrastructure. AFM resists biofouling, biocoagulation, and transient wormhole channeling of unfiltered water and outlasts all other filter media. Some of the unique benefits of AFM are: 1. It fully prevents bacterial growth, biocoagulation, and channeling in the filter bed. 2. It provides exceptional water clarity, certified 1-micron filtration at a 98% guarantee. 3. It delivers stable filtration performance and outlasts all other filter media. 4. It is certified for pools, potable water use NSF 5061st, food and drinks markets. 5. It prevents the formation of harmful disinfection by products. 6. It significantly lowers chlorine oxidation demand. 7. It attracts and removes heavy metals, organic matter, and microplastics. 8. It offers substantial water and energy savings thanks to shorter and slower backwashes. Powerful features of AFM include: self-sterilizing surface, which makes AFM fully resistant to bacterial growth. Increased surface area, provides superior mechanical filtration. High negative surface charge provides advanced absorption of heavy metals. So what are you waiting for? Change your sand filter to AFM today. To know more about how we can help you, call us at 0998 265 9514, 0956 640 2581, or email us at info@innovativewatersolutionsinc.com, or visit our website at innovativewatersolutionsinc.com.